All right, so it's June the 4th, and everybody, welcome back to the backyard again. And today, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be side dressing my plants in the backyard. The side dress the watermelon, the cucumber plants, tomato plants, peppers, and so forth. I'm just going to put a little side dressing on there, and I'm going to show you how I do it, because you don't want to get this. This is what I'm using right here. This is my 10-10-10. See? All-purpose fertilizer 10-10-10. I don't know if y'all can see that on the bag. 10-10-10. Anyway, and I got me some Epsom salt mixed in here. Here's a little chunk of Epsom salt. Gonna break it up. And I'm mixing it around. Just like that. And I'm gonna side dress the plants. And you don't want to get this on the plants, because it can burn the root system. And so I guess you can see how much the watermelon have grown from the last video. And these are the cucumbers over here. So they have come up some. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stay away from the plant and sprinkle it around it, about 6 inches around the plant, because you don't want to get it near the root system. It can end up burning the roots, and it can kill your plant. So just kind of get it around the plant, and as they grow, the plants, this stuff will dissolve into the soil. It's like a slow release, and it is dissolved into the soil, and then the roots can pick it up later on throughout the season. Oh no, I just stepped on that, but that's okay. I can still get it and put it back. So, like I said, when I make these videos, I tell y'all whatever happens, happens. So, just put it around it. Get it away from the plants, and just kind of sprinkle it around it. Just like that. Now I gotta put this back in here. Yep, so that's basically what you're doing. And so throughout the season, the plants, you can throughout the season, the plants, that fertilizer will be released, and the plants, also the roots will come up too. Some of the roots actually come to the top, and they actually feed off of it throughout the season. And you know, with watermelon plants, once those and cucumbers and so forth, once those vines start to grow, they start going all over the place. It's hard to get in here and fertilize after that. So it's kind of like a done deal, unless you got some kind of like drip system where it's coming through a drip system, like from a hose, and you're fertilizing that way. But I don't have a drip system back here yet. I thought about doing that this year. Maybe I should have. But one of these days, I'm actually gonna do that. I'm still supposed to be setting up that what you call it, rain barrel right there, but I haven't done it yet. Life, you get busy doing everything else, but one day I'm gonna get out here and set that up, and then I would be able to get the rainwater and put it directly in the garden. Okay, so that's basically what I'm doing, just side dressing the plants. Let's kind of go around them, but not close to them. I don't want to burn my plants. Just kind of going around them, in between them. Look at those. A clump of tomato plants are coming up together. A tomato must have fell right there. And look, see these tomato plants? These are cherry tomato plants. They just come up naturally and throughout the yard. They come up every year. And what I can do is just plant them in a pot. Look, there's one coming up right there. And right over there, they're everywhere. And that's a good thing about growing your own food, is that when they fall into the ground, when those seeds come up, when they fall into the ground, they keep on producing every year, just like these watermelon plants that came up from last year. So I was able to put a couple of them like this one right here, and one in the middle, and then one on the end over there. That's how I got those. Matter of fact, those two right there in that pot, some of them actually came up from last year. So I was just able to just switch them around. And I'm coming over here to this tomato plant and do the same thing around it. Just kind of put it around the perimeter of the plant. So I don't want to burn the plant. So now when it rains, get some more. So now when it rains outside, the plant, this pellets would dissolve into the soil over time, and as the plant's roots grow, they can reach out and get some of the nutrients from these pellets that I'm dropping right here, and hopefully have some nice fruit. Sorry because of the air conditioning noise, but this is real life and it is what it is. So now here's the other tomato plants on this side, and I'll give y'all an overview of the garden once I do this. Just kind of put them along the side of these tomato plants. Just come along the side. And that's why they call it side dressing. Just get a little around the side of the plant, that's it. Same with these string beans. Because if you put too much now, it will burn the plant. And that is a definite. It will definitely burn the plant if you get it on the roots or on the stem of the plant. So when you're doing this, make sure you don't get it on the stem of the plant, like right in this area. And that goes for your cucumbers, watermelon, everything pretty much. Because this is some strong stuff. So that's why you want to come along the side of it, like I'm doing right here, right alongside of these pepper plants, just around them. So it won't cause any kind of issue. These eggplants, see, look, there's another watermelon coming up right there. Just get it along the eggplant, just right along the edges of it. I'm not gonna do the potatoes yet because they're still coming up, and I don't want to put it in there yet until I see them all come up. Then I'll kind of get them a little something later on, but I'm gonna wait on those. Right. And I think that'll be about it. The next video I do, I'm gonna do an overview of the garden and see where we are at this point on June the 4th, 2022. So just get it around it, that's it. All right. And I don't like these. See, this is the hay that I was telling y'all that came back. And I pulled this yesterday and it's still alive. I just tossed it on top, but it can't reroot. There's another one I pulled yesterday. All right. Anyway, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And be on the lookout for more videos I have coming. Like I said, I might do a metal detecting. I might go to the beach and do some metal detecting. Maybe I can find some gold or silver or something. Who knows? So I might do one of those videos. I still will be doing some more gold panning videos. And of course some garden videos. So stay tuned for that. Y'all have a wonderful day. See you later.